Hey guys, welcome back to Jack of All Trades. I have a big problem here. My Magic Jack dongle has failed to work. So I had to order another one to replace the damaged Magic Jack. This type you needed the computer to run, to be on, to have your phone. And I ordered this one from Magic Jack for half price. Basically they have the option of ordering just the replacement dongle. So it comes in a white box like this. You can order the one standalone at the store like Walmart, but it costs double. So this one's the replacement model. And we're going to show you guys how to port your phone number over for free with this device. You can see it comes with a bunch of how-to instructions in different languages. And then it comes with this pamphlet. I believe this is the Magic Jack Go. And you do not require a computer for this one, so you can plug it into your modem or your router, cable modem. That's the 911 stickers, and this is just a Magic Jack logo. Inside the case here, you can have a bunch of wires, the dongle. This is your Ethernet cable, and this is the actual Magic Jack. Actually, this one here is the USB. And this one's the Magic Jack dongle. And this one's basically like a little mini phone charger, power supply. And this is what it looks like up close. Got one port for Ethernet, the other for your telephone. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the new Magic Jack on the computer, register it, and then hook it up to a telephone. Now we're at the computer. You're going to want to attach the USB extension cable to the Magic Jack Go, and then plug the Magic Jack Go into a USB port of your computer. We're going to need to do this to register the device, to transfer the account from the old device to the new. You're going to type in this address. Now you can press detect device, but it didn't work for me. So you're going to want to go to your My PC and click on the Magic Jack device. Then it'll load the software into your PC. You're going to allow it through the firewall. You're going to notice that it doesn't recognize my phone number yet. So the screen is going to pop up right here. And you're going to type in your existing account information and your password. Now Magic Jack has made this very simple to transfer the devices. So once I type in my password, press in login. Now I sped this up. It takes about 2-3 minutes. It reaches out to the internet, recognizes the device, and then transfers your account automatically. And when you press OK, it's going to load the software. It's going to show your telephone number in the top corner, the name of your account, and your address. Just like so. So now that we're done all this, the device is registered, we can shut this down and disconnect it from the computer. Plug in the power dongle into the USB and into the Magic Jack. And then you're going to plug your Ethernet cable, like so, into that port. Very simple. And then we're going to have to plug our telephone in to the other port. Grab your telephone cable, plug it into your phone. Now I use 2 cordless wireless phones. One's in the bedroom, one's in the living room, and they share the same base, so that way I can just answer the phone anywhere in the house. This can make local calls to Canada and the US for free, unlimited. There you go, plug it in, and we're good to go. very simple. We're going to tuck this away. We don't want to see this dongle at all. And then we're going to run a phone test. So I'm going to check for the dial tone, make sure that I have a dial tone. Yep, got a dial tone. Don't know if you can hear this, but I'll put it up to the microphone for you. Definitely got a dial tone. So I'm going to test it out and just call the phone number with my cell phone. See if she rings. So it rings, so we know that we got a good connection. We got a working telephone. It doesn't require a computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have a broken Magic Jack, it's very easy to replace it and get your phone up and running again. So thank you for watching Jack of All Trades. Subscribe, leave a comment. Have a good day.